Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about the book Kashf al-Zunun and its author Haji Khalifa or Katib Chalpi. The full name of this book is Kashf al-Zunun an Asamil Kutubi wal Funun. This book contains the definition of various sciences and arts and the introduction of various books written on them. This book includes definitions of 300 branches of knowledge, introduction to 15,000 books, and mention of 9,500 authors. In the book, the alphabet has been trusted upon in relation to sciences and arts and the order of books. It is divided into three parts. Number 1, scholarly and historical discussion. Number 2, mention of books. Number 3, mention of authors. In the first part, the author discusses all the issues related to knowledge, such as the nature of knowledge, edification of knowledge, distribution of knowledge, levels of knowledge, reasons for the development of Islamic sciences, conditions of knowledge, and obstacles in getting knowledge, etc. In the second part, the author has explained various issues regarding books. For example, if there is any ambiguity regarding the name of the book, he has explained it, and the subject of the book, the thickness and the volume of the book, the explanation and the language of the book, etc. Also, the author has praised or criticized the books by pointing out their merits and demerits. In the third part, the date of birth and death of an author, his jurisprudence, the explanation of the forms in the name, the relationship to the country, and some other matters are described. As for the author, his name is Mustafa bin Abdullah. He is known as Haji Khalifa or Katib Jalbi. He was born in 1609 in Istanbul. Istanbul is the largest city in Turkey, and the city is the economic, cultural, and historical center of the country. In the beginning, he received formal education. He studied Arabic sciences and arts from different teachers and masters. After his education, he turned to teaching and took up writing along with teaching and wrote more than 30 books on various sciences and arts in three languages: Arabic, Persian, and Turkish. This shining star of knowledge set forever in 1657. Yes, it should be kept in mind that his time is 1000 years after the time of the Messenger of Allah. May God bless and grant him peace.